Understanding the Fidic conditions of contract is the key to preparing and managing Fidic contracts. Only a keen and comprehensive understanding of the contracts will help in avoiding disputes and the accompanying costs and time overruns. However, even though the Fidic suite of contracts enjoys a worldwide reputation because they are widely accepted by employers, contractors, international financing organizations, engineers, and lawyers, regrettably, misunderstanding and poor practices lead to avoidable disputes. It is with great pleasure that I draw the attention of users of Fidic contracts to this Fidic guide for practitioners. The authors have shared their huge wide knowledge of the contracts and their implementations in various countries with the Fidic community. Both are well-known and experienced experts and accredited Fidic trainers, as well as being adjudicators and arbitrators. They have made a major contributions in seeking to give guidance on the use of Fidic forms of contract. This guide is easy to read and engineers, as well as legal advisors, employers, and contractors will find it very helpful in daily practice. In particular, those practitioners in civil law countries will benefit greatly from this guide, which shows how Fidic contracts should be interpreted against a civil code background. Common law practitioners will also welcome the guide as a valuable source of information on how to address issues raised by the Fidic contracts in the common law jurisdictions. Sample letters, checklists, and other features will help to ensure that guide will meet the success all over the world. In summary, I believe the guide represents an invaluable resource that will raise the awareness of practitioners in the international construction industry to the rights and responsibilities of the parties under a Fidic contract. Informative and accessible, the guide provides employers, contractors, and engineers with the means to manage Fidic-based contracts properly and in accordance with best practice principles. Greg T. Thomopoulos, President, Fidic.